All right, we got this really nice Tevlaphee car lockbox is the box it comes in, but I've already got it installed in the car. So you can put this in the car like this. You can also install it on your house or something. Got all the installation hardware right here, but it's already installed up here. And basically, you can keep your keys right in here. So I already got the code locked in. I created the code. I'll show you how to do it in just a second. Turn it. Here's the key. And now we can go straight inside and we're in. So, and let me actually I'm going to take this out actually just to show you. So basically all you need to do is you're connecting this to the windshield like so. It just connects right up. I'm going to roll the windows up really quick. And so it comes with this pad if you want to use that in here for any sort of protection. There's also to create the code, you can create like a 4 to 8 digit code. It comes with this screwdriver, and basically you're going to come into the back here, and you're basically going to just take this and turn, and I actually got to turn this. You're going to come in here, and let's say we want to add another number. Turn that, and that adds another number to the code, and we're good to go now. So I think this thing's amazing, and I highly recommend it.